Okay, you guys, hi. It is the day after Christmas. It is officially the Lush Boxing Day, and it is 8 o'clock in the morning. The Lush website was down for about an hour or two, and they're back up with the buy one, get one, and let's just get started. You guys, there are already things that are out of stock. Oh my gosh. Like, do you see this? Oh my goodness. And I've only been on the website for a few seconds. This is insane. Oh my gosh, you guys. So Boxing Day is literally the worst and the best day after Christmas sale of all time. It is the best because you're getting buy one, get one on all their amazing Christmas products. But it is the worst because they sell out just like that within a matter of seconds. I've literally been on the website for like, I would say a half hour. And half of the things have already sold out. Like literally two items that were in my cart just got taken out because they were unavailable. That's just the risk you take when it comes to Boxing Day. And the next time I see you guys will probably be in a few days because it said it will take 4 to 10 days of shipping, probably even longer because of Boxing Day. So I will probably see you guys a little later.
3 weeks later.
Hi guys, so as you can tell kind of by the setup, it is a few weeks later. It is approximately, how many weeks later is that? I'm curious. It is about 2.5 weeks later. It is the 11th of January. And we are going to be talking about the products that we got from Lush, specifically on Boxing Day. So let's just get into this bag of goodies. I've already opened it. And I don't know, I think Lush is magic because the bags have my favorite colors, like purple and this really light blue. And I just thought it was super cute that they had my specific colors that I really liked incorporated in this box. So, if I didn't explain it to you guys in great detail in the clips before, Lush is this skincare beauty company. They're everywhere. They're based in Canada. You can get their products in the internet, and there's a bunch of locations. There's only 2 here in Colorado, unfortunately, and they're all in northern Colorado. I'm in southern Colorado. But I do remember when I went to California for the very first time, we went to Anaheim and Palm Springs. We saw so many Lushes there, so I think it depends from state to state on the population and the popularity of the brand, but they are based in Canada, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys what I got on Boxing Day. Boxing Day is basically the only sale that Lush has all year round. They have this sale the day after Christmas. It's only one day, and it's basically first come, first serve. So they have all of their Christmas products, buy one, get one, and other select items. So I literally was having to update my cart every few seconds because items that I was putting in my cart would instantly just sell out. I mean, it's that insane. It was very stressful. I was just, kept on having to refresh. It took me about 30 minutes. I missed out on a few things, but you know, it's okay. Other people get to enjoy those products. So let's just get into the Putty Holly. Now, this is a bubble bar from Lush. I absolutely love the Lush bubble bars. They're one of my favorite bath products by them. They create these huge, luxurious bubbles. And the bath bombs are a little bit similar to the bubble bars, except for the bubble bars are kind of like bubble bath in the sense. You just leave it running underneath the water, and huge bubbles will just start to appear. Whereas with the bath bombs, it's very different. You just plop it in the water. It can spin. It could just float there. It releases amazing scents and oils in your bathtub to nourish your skin and make it smell really nice and pretty, and plus it looks really cool. So this is what Putty Holly looks like. And I thought it was so cute. It was a play on words from the singer Buddy Holly. And the Buddy Holly bubble bars are actually in the shape of their bubble runes. And their bubble runes look like little macaroons. So this is kind of like that. So I got 2 of those, obviously. The next thing that I got from Boxing Day was Golden Wonder Bath Bomb. And this bath bomb is a staple for so many Lushies. That's what like diehard Lush people call themselves, are Lushies. And I'm a proud Lushie. But yeah, the Golden Wonder basically is a gold little present. And I'm making a huge old mess on my lap. Wearing black is a big old struggle, but it's one of the only colors that I wear because I'm comfortable in it. So I really like that on the back of their new bags they actually have a list of their values. So I'm going to read a few of them off to you. They fight animal testing, they have the freshest cosmetics, they have ethical buying, they're 100% vegetarian, they're handmade, and they're naked. And when it means they're naked, you know, it means that they come with less packaging than other kinds of brands. So they believe in recycling and reusing things. So this is actually Sympathy for the Skin. It is a lotion. And I'm going to be talking about this bad boy in my next video that I'm going to be uploading. My personal favorite beauty products of 2018. But I'm going to be talking about this, and right here, right here on the label on the back, right underneath fighting animal testing, it says not virgin. And I think that is so funny. It's really cute. And when they say it's not virgin, that means it's 100% recycled plastic. They recycle all of these little black pots that they have. Fans of Lush, you know, we actually hoard these black pots from the products that we get, because once you once you collect up to 5 of these little black pots, you can return them to the store. They will recycle every single one and reuse them for different purposes, for different products. And it's amazing. It's beautiful, you know, what they do, what they stand for. And in return, you actually get a free face mask. And their face masks, I think, are $7 or $8. So it's a really good deal. Highly recommend doing that. So those were the only products that I officially got from Boxing Day. But let's talk about the unofficial 2 products that I got that I really was in desperate need of. So the first unofficial item that was not a part of Boxing Day, but I got it anyway, was the Aroma Toner Water. So this water says a gentle hydrating rose and lavender toner that smooths the skin and calms the mind. And because I have such dry skin, soothing it is just really important to me. And some people don't believe in toner waters, but because I have dry skin, I use toner waters religiously. And then another staple that I always use from Lush is actually their Fairly Traded Honey shampoo. It basically gives luster, volume, and moisture to all hair types. And I really like it because it helps with damaged hair, I feel like. Very dry and damaged hair. And it just keeps my shine in for such a long time. And this, unfortunately, is not vegan because it does have the honey in it. But yeah. But the aroma water is vegan. So the cool thing about Lush is that they have vegan and non-vegan options, but everything's vegetarian. Everything is just really nice and high quality. This shampoo, the large size of this shampoo, actually lasts me 7 or 8 months. So that's like $5 a month for me to use shampoo. So it is amazing. You literally use maybe like 2 pumps of it and that's it. And it just smells so good. It smells just like honey. If you haven't tried Lush yet, I will have the website linked down below. I highly recommend any of these products. There's so much more from Lush that is amazing. I remember one of my staple, like my #1 thing to get at Lush is the Buffy Body Butter. So I would definitely recommend checking that out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, you are all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you next time. Bye!